Yeah, so with the burgers, you want to make sure that after about 12 hours you flip them. Right, you want to flip these over. Okay. So that both sides get evenly dehydrated. Okay. Taste one. Oh my God! Hold on. Pardon me. I didn't want to smack in your ears, but that was good, man. This is a wrap. But I'm gonna let some other people taste to be the judge, so that I'm not giving you a biased opinion of this. So what I want to show you right now is some books, but we'll come right back. I'll talk about that.